In what could be more bad news for bowlers, a couple of IIT graduates from Mumbai have come up with a modified bat which will reduce edges to the slips. Given how the Indian batsmen are struggling in England, this news might interest them.
The best of Indian batsmen found wanting in England. Virat Kohli and company failing to tackle the swinging condition. But this new willow, designed by two IIT graduates from Mumbai to counter swing, can come to India's rescue in future.
If you compare it to a normal bat in a front profile looks like a brick if you look at it from a front profile. What we've done is we've given it a 3D taper along both the edges. What it does is when a ball strikes at the edge of the bat, instead of going directly towards the slip, it gives a certain forward component to the ball which makes it drop in front of the slips rather than going to the slip.
The Falcon bat is modified in such a way that edges from it won't carry to the slips. In fact, the bat has been granted the mandatory clearance from the MCC. While Matthew Hayden and Andrew Symonds had used the Mongoose bat, Falcon is yet to be tested in the international arena.
So we are trying to approach many players, and once the team comes back from England, then we are hoping that we can get at least a Pujara or Rane for whom the bat might be ideal in a sense, maybe even a Kohli. So they might be an ideal match for this bat. That is what we believe. We believe that if this bat can help save a Kohli or a Pujara in a series, then that can really change how a series ends. India might win.
38 times, the Indian batsmen have been dismissed by edging the ball to the keeper or it slips in the ongoing series. Perhaps in the years to come, this new innovation could be the answer to India's struggle against swing bowling. With Arunil Sadadikar, Anand Narasimhan, Times Now.